Hey YouTube, Chris here with another video. This is a little bit of a secret. There's not many people that probably know to do this on their website. And lucky for you, you have found this video and you will now know. Now, I tell all my clients to do this as soon as they get their website on hosting and domain. So this would be probably the next step that you really want to take after getting the website live. However, you can do this at any point. Now, the main point of a website is to have people find us online. And we can do that multiple ways. We can share our domain with people. They can type our domain directly into their browser and find us. They can click a link in our social media bios. There's plenty of ways for them to find us. But if we want them to find us from Google for free without having to pay for Google ads or any other kind of paid ads, we want that organic drive from Google search results. And in order to do that, we need to let, first of all, Google know that we exist. So what you want to do on your Wix dashboard is go to marketing, and you're going to click on marketing home. You're going to go to Google Business Profile, and you're going to click Setup Profile. This is going to have you sign into your Google account, and then it's going to have you index your website. Now, what that does is it's going to introduce the site to Google and will greatly help your organic search results. Now, it doesn't mean that you're going to automatically be at the top of Google in the first spot when somebody searches for what you do. If that was the case, then everybody that made a website today would be at the top of Google search results, and those wouldn't be very good results. So that's not possible, but this is going to jumpstart the process of you being found on Google, and it's going to greatly benefit you. So if you haven't done this, go do it right now. Go to your computer, index your website, and you're going to be on a much better path to being found online. As always, thank you so much.